Showtime.
What's popping, my people?
How y'all doing?
Naka vizuri, glow.
It's finally time.
We're launching our product. It's taken us over 4 years
to figure out that we need to start this.
Yeah.
You can't even notice time is passing when you're like focused on something. It's been 6 months of working to come up with
perfect design, the
perfect
good packaging, the good products. Waswahili wanasema ukichoka.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Akichoka ndo amepata.
ukichoka ndo umepata.
Kichoka ndo umepata. Wewe unasema nini? You guys comment down below. Ukichoka ndo umepata. Waswahili husema asiyepata. So this was never in our plan to start a business on skincare because it was only me inquiring, but then we came to find out that a lot of you always, like since we started our YouTube, a lot of you have been asking Leilah what she uses on her skin because her skin looks like baby skin.
It's really smooth.
Yeah, a lot of you have been asking Leilah what she uses on her skin, and I've been trying to get my skin, like I can show you the screenshots.
No, it's smooth.
They are fading
like
and
a baby's.
he has super sensitive
skin. Like my skin is now good. It's better and
I wish you got
smooth.
Chris saying about it.
Because he was like, skin yako mpaka imechange. The last time we were going to Mombasa, my skin looked like it had burned.
As for me, like not just him or you guys, even my friends, family, people, just literally people around me, nifanye nini uso? Kwani unajipa? I just tell. I'm like, I get to a point, I'm like, miss tumiangi kitu, I drink a lot of water, I always stay hydrated. Yes.
Kama ushaambiwa tu kunywa maji, comment down below because watu wengi wameambiwa hivyo.
I didn't think it was such a big deal until like I couldn't get more aloe vera. I was like, I really need a way to preserve my stuff in the house. And he was really now disturbing me to a point that I wish I could just give him a routine. I teach him and then be like, babe, you're already...
Mbona unafanya hivyo kwa vlogs? Ni kama mimi siko hapo.
So that he can always do it by himself. Yeah. You know those we ladies get pimples during that time of the month. I don't always have perfect skin, by the way.
Yeah,
it's not perfect. Always.
But then it's smooth. It's literally smooth. It's only the pimples that spoil the.
Yeah, the pimples just pop up and they look like zimekelewa. You know, it's healthy skin actually. Having healthy skin, that's the key thing that I work for. Just having the healthy skin. But then I get those breakouts, and when I get the breakouts, that's when I think about skincare, and that's when this came up. Yeah. When Corona came, the counties were being closed and I couldn't cross over like we said last time. When you went to Uganda, I had a lot of time to distract myself and not miss him that much and not like feel like I'm really bored. So I was studying, I was researching, I was doing literally everything. And when he came back, I told him about that, and we were just to make things for ourselves. Season you.
It was only for ourselves, not for you, not for
you. And then you remember I told you, I've always, I think this is the millionth time I'm telling you, my grandma knew how to make soap. People who go to Salvation Army, my grandma was a pastor there, so we have this women's group, and the pastors normally, I'm using the name pastor for everybody else, the pastors normally teach those other people. So my grandma, I was always there when she was teaching them how to make soap, candles, petroleum jelly. So I knew 1 or 2 things about making soap. So we're like, now let's research on how to make soap. I want soap, aloe vera soap. I want charcoal soap.
Turmeric.
But turmeric soap, turmeric and charcoal
and
soap.
Rice. The rice soap helps in a lot of things, even in hair growth,
Rice
smooth
water.
skin. We were using a lot of rice water on my skin in the past.
1
Did you
year.
make a vlog?
Hatujaonyesha kwa
Hatujaonyesha
vlog
kwa
yetu.
vlog.
Oh, it's actually in one vlog there I pooped myself.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They put myself prank. We say that we used rice water on our skin. I don't know on my hair. She has really good skin, and she helped me have a good skin. So this is why we started.
Starting, I even know how coconut oil is made. And so we had to research on everything because we are not in Mombasa and we definitely need the stuff here. So we had to sample a lot of suppliers because we went and knew how uko kijijini. Yani it was stressful. Kwanza kudeni kutafuta venye tutapata mtu mwenye anajua. We literally ask anyone where we can do that, and we went and figured out, and now we know that
Pure coconut oil.
yes, the fact that we're in Nairobi, now we had to come and sample the suppliers who are in Nairobi. A lot of money was wasted trying to buy and sample everyone, like every supplier, so that we can get the actual one, the one that was created when we were there, when we wanted to get the exactly like that one.
Yeah.
Because we can't always go to Mombasa, and the lady was like, haizi tuma Nairobi. We created something from scratch and we wanted some more suppliers. Obviously we want this to be a very big company. We'll need employees in future, we'll need people in future, so we need also people we can trust. That's the background of how all this has started and come to be. It wasn't a plan.
We have 5 products and 5 different kind of soaps.
They're supposed to be 6.
6, they're supposed to be 6.
Yeah, but the other one nilikata vibaya.
Oh.
I was weighing them after the shoot. I was weighing them and I've realized the other ones are tinier.
Yeah. But then
These
I don't know if we should sell them, but because they still help.
They're still okay.
They still help. Like when you use them, they'll still help you.
It's what you've been using.
It's what we've been using, yeah.
Tumechukua ingine leo.
So here is one. I don't think we should sell this. If it looks nice to you,
Because you
sell.
can see the difference.
Yeah, you can see the difference. The other one is really cubey, and this one is like. We have the charcoal soap, the turmeric, the ini.
Yeah, ni cinnamon and
Cinnamon
green
and-
tea. That's charcoal.
Nini sasa?
Yeah, ni charcoal and shea.
Oh, charcoal and shea butter. Charcoal and shea. Yeah.
Princesses.
Hey, to these people.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry straight high.
So these are the first products we're launching. The aloe vera, the shea butter,
Vitamin E. I'm spoiling my top.
vitamin E, rose
water,
water, then the
bentonite
bentonite clay, and the soaps.
Yes, these are the very first products. They're not all the products we have for you guys.
Yeah.
As we said earlier, let me tell you hi again. Body butter. This is shea butter. It's mixed with sunflower oil, sweet almond, and coconut oil. I didn't put essential oils in any of these. I didn't put essential oils here because I wasn't like I wanted like the first products to go like purely as it is. You can always tell me if you want your whipped shea butter with just sunflower oil, sour. If you want with sweet almond oil, sour. If you want with coconut oil, sour. If you want with olive oil or grape oil, vanilla oil, strawberry oil, we have all that. You can always tell me which oil you want mixed, or if you want them all mixed, the more the better, by the way. At the back of the container, there is how everything works. This is just a summary of everything. I couldn't put everything here, but on Instagram I'll be writing the whole thing. The whole mini wouldn't fit here. I just put in the key factors of every ingredient in the oil.
Yeah.
So on Instagram, Leilah Skin, I'll be writing whole paragraphs
Some of the benefits of the product.
and also how to use it.
Yeah, and also how to use
So
it.
now let's say the prices of everything.
So the price to this is only $7.99 Kenya shillings. Yeah, aloe vera gel. It's 799 Kenya shillings, which is really affordable.
And aloe vera, you can use it in many ways.
Yeah, you can use it on
The
your
guys.
dry skin. You can combat acne, fed, dark spots. It soothes sunburns, provides relief from psoriasis and eczema.
Asthma.
And asthma. It reduces puffiness and dark circles. It's also good for people with sensitive skin. This is really, really nice. It's only 799 Kenyan shillings.
It's an exfoliatant.
Yeah. We have the bentonite clay. This is only 599 Kenyan shillings.
You use it at least once or twice a week. I use it twice.
Yeah.
And I love it.
It's really, really nice. It's the first mask.
Removes toxins from your skin.
Yeah, it does.
You have to read. It really has to.
Toner. Yes, can you see how nice the logo looks like? The first toner. This is the rose water. It removes oil, dirt from skin and clogs, pores. It's only $6.99.
Let me tell you a tip that we learned the other day. I was getting ready for this because my lashes complete my natural look.
Exactly.
And the lady who does my lashes was here. She does home calls. And they do waxing. They have a salon in Umoja. We'll pin everything here. She has my number from WhatsApp. When we said we were starting this, she was among the very first people to ask about it. And then when we said we have aloe vera gel, she was so eager to have it. When she came here, she always kept reminding me about it. Leave alone you guys when you were DM. She kept reminding me so bad. When she came to do my lashes, it wasn't even branded. She bought this and she was like, you know why you need this? Do you know why I want it? I've been looking for it so much. You see, when we wax you, we apply it to prevent darkening.
Yeah, darkening. And also the bumps, zile rashes.
Yeah, the zile rashes. And then you see guys when you umkonandevu and you have very bad rashes that I always imagine hazishangi.
Yeah.
I've always thought those things hazitoka. So I'm like, that's the nature of having a beard.
Yeah.
And they think you're always scared of shaving because you get them. Yeah, so she was like, when guys shave, they have to apply this. And when you shave down, when you wax down there, you need this.
Yeah, you do.
She wasn't even taking it for the face. She was taking them for work.
Ah, yeah. You don't understand
She was taking them for work. So if you wax people and you're looking for aloe vera gel, and if you always get wax or you shave, we have the gel. It's not just for skin because it really helps with dark spots.
Yeah.
Aloe vera gel really helps with dark spots. Please follow us on Instagram. We'll be rating all the benefits.
Follow Leilah Skin on Instagram. And also there will be a website soon.
We are launching
we're launching our website. So if you want to order and you're not on Instagram, you can check on the website. Also there's the vitamin E.
You see how my face looks like? Like I'm really shiny. That is vitamin E and shea butter.
Yeah.
Vitamin E is an anti-detoxant. It nourishes the skin, moisturizes. It's like treating your skin. I've received so many questions on Instagram. Oily skin, normal skin, dry skin, people with acne-prone skin, sensitive skin. All kinds of questions, like in this short period of time, ever since we said we are launching.
Yeah.
The best part is, all this, some of this soap, most of this soap are like the cinnamon and the cinnamon and tea tree is for sensitive and acne prone skin.
Yeah.
If you have that, this is the best that I'd recommend. Normal skin, we are here. Turmeric, and then there's the rice. We are really sorry about the distraction.
Yes,
we are we are parents.
We're parents.
We have a toddler.
Who is really like
toddler.
She's in every place we are.
Yeah. So I was saying, you need a healthy skin, not just a glowing skin. Your skin can also glow with black marks, and then they'll just fade away with time. You don't just apply something alafu inaisha kesho. So you generate a skincare routine with time. Your skin becomes healthy, then it starts clearing out.
Yeah.
So you either have a morning and night routine. That means you don't have like to have a bunch of stuff. There are people with a bunch of stuff. You just need a cleanser, a toner, treats. You need to treat your skin, and then you moisturize the skin, and then you can add sunscreen on top. it doesn't matter if you're oily skin. You just wash your face with either the soap. You'll DM and tell us your skin type, and then we recommend the best soap that you can use according to your skin. So you wash it with soap. It lathers really nicely. You wash it with soap. You tone. That's rose water. That's like a routine for all the products. If you're getting all the products, if you're crazy, you're not going to start a routine. You tone. Then you after toner, that's where the vitamin E comes in, and then the moisturizer. Yes, you will look a bit oily, but then you can limit. At least you oil every part of the skin, the most affected parts. If you're affected, but as for me, I'm applying on my whole skin. And then we have this, which you apply aloe vera. You can apply overnight. Then you wash in the morning.
Skincare products ain't gender biased. Like, it's not for ladies only. It's also for men. Like, men also need a good skin. Yeah.
Because even ladies wanaangalia sura.
Yeah, because the ladies also need the first.
Because
this is you. This is the first thing about you. Like the first is the first thing someone notices about you.
This is what will decide if I will have you or not.
Yeah. Cute. You always look at the first. So this is you. So if you wanna buy our products, they're located at,
as we said earlier, Star Mall.
Yeah.
Star Mall is in town CBD.
CBD town, Nairobi town, CBD Nairobi.
Upper Fire Station.
Yeah.
There's Quickmart.
Koja opposite.
Koja Fire Station, Quickmart. Now at Quickmart, turn this, cross over to the other side of the road. That mall. Enter that mall, go to first floor, shop 810. It's at the corner. 810. That's where you can find our products. You buy, then you go pick up.
Yeah.
If you're not within Nairobi, we'll also share the price list of sending to everybody's places.
From next month, we'll launch our products in Mombasa, so that we don't, like, when you order today, you can just go pick them up at the shop. But for now, if you order, we'll just send it to you.
Yeah, we'll send it as a parcel.
Yeah, the parcel.
Have an order from Mombasa already. I guess this is the end of the video.
Yeah, this is the end.
We have we answered questions? We have mentioned the price where you can go, how it started, and what we have. What we'll have next.
Yeah.
So we have considered everyone. If you want to buy something, just DM, we'll guide you through it. A constant skincare routine really helps. Invest in your skin. That's all we can say. You see? Say it among for you.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Subscribe and like, and make sure you order the products.
We'll have a website where you can order by next week.
By tomorrow. By tomorrow the website will be up.
Yes, we love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for everyone who has been ordering.
Bye.